Hey guys, welcome. This is going to be part one, very first video of us making a outdoor shower. So we are not professionals by any means. So everything we're doing is strictly for fun, for learning purposes. So yeah, I would love tips. I always check the comments. So definitely if you guys have pointers by the end of this video, I can't wait to hear them. It may help me in my process. We've got a border already lined out of what we would like our measurements to be. We already got someone helping right here. Go, Jenna, go. Go ahead. Get him, Jen. Get it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to till up this area. I want to get just a tiny layer off the top, and we have concrete slabs that we're going to be putting down for what we shower on top of. And then I'm going to make a trench for the border, and we're going to put pea gravel in there. So basically that's what we're working on today. Maybe get just the framework done, and that's it. That's going to be vlog one. I'll get a couple shots of the process of us doing it, and then at the end, whatever we get done, that will conclude the first shower vlog. So how about it? Let's get to it. Got it nice and loose. Oh, gee. Almost threw, oh my God. Almost threw it right on Jen's face. Yeah. I guess for a drainage thing, we were thinking everything kind of seeps downhill this way. So maybe the edges pea gravel, and maybe do like a trench with some more pea gravel and let it just drain where the path of least resistance would be at or whatever. Testing. Alright guys, so we're trying to figure out the levels here with our pad. It looked like I needed to fill in some dirt down here, so I'm just gonna see where we're at here. And guys, don't worry about me doing physical labor. I love this. This is what I do. I thrive off of just getting done. Trust me, the cameraman pulls his weight. Trust me, the cameraman, he pulls his weight. Taking my shower, rinsing my hair. Can you see the vision? Look at this. That's my road dog right there. Are you my road dog? You're always right there helping me work, huh? Helping me work? That's right. That's my beautiful girl. Okay. Our plans changed a little bit. So now I'm going to go back and get 12 more of these. That way we can get them down, get the pad done, put the pea gravel around, and that should like protect this pad that we've already dug out pretty well. Already just get it done. I don't want it to like rain tonight and it just mess up my whole pad and then I have to dig it out again. Here we are. All right, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I like this versus that. I think I like, yeah, I like the way these pebbles look versus like this. I don't know, they could be the same. I don't know, maybe I get more stones from this bag than that bag. Oh shoot. Yeah, I guess I'm going with this one. That might stay. Okay. Okay, I can barely pull this, but we're making it happen. All right, I'm about to get out of here, go back, finish this. Well, I got a little daylight left. I think it would look good to have this mulch stuff, wood chips, in my little garden pathway things. Be super pretty. I'm back. Wow, what a trip that was. Where the water's going to be running off, it's going to be flowing. Oh, that's a little bit of a stop. So trying to make sure the water actually like flows out of here is what we're concerned about. I would assume that's a concern. All right, so I will work on this until I get it. He dug a drain, so we're gonna put some pea gravel. Actually, it's not pea gravel, it's actually like pebbles, like big rocks. We're gonna put it in the trench. We also looked up, because we were thinking about how like, weeds. If weeds will grow back up underneath there. So just so they don't grow through the cracks of the rocks, we're gonna put a layer of this down just underneath, just in here, just to, as wide as this is, roll it out. Doesn't matter if there's weeds on the side, I'll just pick those out in between the rocks. It's okay, but as long as we don't have anything growing in between the concrete, that's I think what all we care about. But we had this, luckily, so I'm going to put that down. Yeah, look at that. It's about as wide as, how perfect is that? That worked out great, didn't it? Looking pretty good. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. What you doing? Okay, so I'm gonna have to put a little, see if I can even this out a little bit. Here is the shower floor. These are what we're going to be using to put down. Very nice. They just pop onto each other. So it'll just be like that. Pea gravel all the way around. I don't know if that vision is, you know, if y'all can see the vision here, but that's where we're going with it. Yeah, like I said, this is our first shower. So we're learning right now because we definitely are going to have, with every little A-frame cabin that we have, we're going to have a little compost bin toilet for you and an outdoor shower for you. So we're going to be building a lot of these. So this is just the first one, trial error. And but yeah, this is the floor. The next time we are probably going to, before you lay the stuff down, like really make sure everything is like 110% completely level. For this case, I think it's about as good as we could get. I think I'm happy with it. So we'll just see. The real test is when we turn on the water. Hopefully it drains. Well, I can't say that enough, but okay, well, I say I'm going to fine tune the trenches and maybe put the pea gravel in. Okay, so here I go. Nice. That doesn't look too bad. Okay, where's my thingy? There we go. For a couple of amateurs, it doesn't look too shabby. Alright, loves, this is it, guys. This is it. This is as far as we got done today. Not too bad. We're probably going to grab some more pea gravel or just level things out a little more. I'm going to definitely be putting some wood chips around the edges, make it look good. Be on the lookout for the next video. This is video 1, making an outdoor shower for the first time. Alright, I'll see you over on vlog 2.